Mohammed Basheer ji.
Thank you very much, sir. High Court and Supreme Court judges, salaries and condition of service amendment bill. The content of the bill, I fully agree with that. Sir, today's discussion in which eminent members who are closely associated with the legal matters, they have explained very well. Sir, it reminds the essentiality of regaining the credibility of the nation and the judiciary in particular. Sir, while participating in this discussion, I commemorate the legal luminary and the proud son of India, Sri V.R. Krishnaiyer, in the judiciary has ever seen. Sir, Hari Shelva, in his article titled, Justice V.R. Krishnaiyer, Man Who Rescued Supreme Court from Supreme Shame. Sir, I quote, Supreme Court of India was, he said in his the article, Supreme Court of India was Krishnayer's rise to become the Supreme Court of Indians. Sir Sri Krishnaiyer, he himself wrote in an article published in Hindu, that title was, Who Will Judge the Judges? Krishnaiyer made an appeal to the Parliament in the following words. Sir, I quote, Parliament should wake up and implement glasnost and perestroika in judiciary. In the name of independence, we cannot have judicial absolutism and tyranny. Sir, now coming to the other points, the beauty and the strength of Indian Constitution is the fundamental rights enshrined in Constitution. Sir, they are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, rights to freedom of religion, rights to constitutional remedies. Sir, what is really happening? In this country, all these fundamental rights are under attack, and the judiciary bound to intervene in such cases shows helplessness, sir. Sir, now I wish to submit another important thing. Yesterday, we had a very brief discussion on Nagaland incident. How this kind of things are taking place, sir? It is a blatant misuse of laws. AVSPA, everybody was saying about that, sir. Myself and along with my two members of IUML, Dr. Abdul Sabadani and Mr. Nawaz Ghani, had given notice for adjournment. Unfortunately, it was not agreed. Today's newspaper, sir, it shows that Human Rights Commission have given a notice to Government of India. Nagaland Chief Minister, Meghalaya Chief Minister, they are all demanded that this AFSA should be withdrawn forthwith. We all know that historic struggle led by Iram Sharmila of Manipur. Sir, this kind of laws. Now, UAPA case, there was a lot of discussion on that. I strongly appeal, sir, that this kind of draconian laws should be scrapped. That is the need of the hour, sir. We all know that human, yes, sir.
Please.
No, sir. Because
please
I agree, sir. Because you are kind for everybody, In my case also, sir, I just want to 2-3 minutes. Sir, human rights violations are taking place in a big way. We all know that. Courts are, of course, they have got a responsibilities, but unfortunately, they are taking talkative silence in the case of these human rights violations. Filling up of vacancy, I don't want to take much of the figures are with me, but one thing I would like to say, I appreciate the bold initiative now taken by the Honorable Minister. Sir, I am not a legal expert. I would like to say only one thing, that is about this appointment of the consortium, appointment of judges. Nowhere in the world, I don't know whether I am correct, nowhere in the world, appointment of judges are done by themselves. That seems to be a very bad thing. Yeah, but yes, sir, I'm going to conclude. Only one point I would like to say. That is with regard to social justice. Sir, most of my friends were saying about that. When we are all talking about social justice, when it comes to the ground reality, that is denied, sir. In participation, inclusive participation of everybody concerned, especially the downtrodden, a denial of justice, all these things are there. So what I am suggesting is due participation should be given to the deprived section in the appointment of judges. this principle of
Thank
natural
you.
justice should be, and reservation should be
Thank you.
adhered strictly in the judiciary. With
Thank
those
you.
few words, sir, I conclude. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Basheer ji.